Hello everybody and welcome to Mr. Stansfield's education videos. Today we're talking about the cyanotype. Now, a cyanotype is, if you understand the color cyan, C-Y-A-N, it's cyanotype. Cyan is a shade of blue. I like to think of cyan as sort of the color of blue sky. That's sort of pretty close to the cyan color. And behind me I actually have a really big cyanotype that you can do cyanotypes using it's a chemical process, and you can use big materials like a big sheet like that. And so I just wanted to introduce the idea. Look at Google Classroom. There will be some links and some other materials. You can check out the history, the inventor of the cyanotype. You can check out that first photo book like I mentioned. And then what we're going to try to do is actually recreate the process using an app on our cell phones, the Pixlr app. If you don't have access to the Pixlr app, no big deal. What we'll do is use Photopea, which we should be able to access on our Chromebooks. Take a look at Google Classroom. There should be some step-by-step instructions. Watch those videos, kind of familiarize yourself with the history of the cyanotypes, the history of the photo book that Anna Atkins made, and let me know if you have any questions.